Greetings, health enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to Brainetainment, where we feed your brain with enlightening and intriguing content. Our goal is to provide you with a unique blend of education and entertainment, making learning not just more accessible but also fun. Our topic today is sugar, an ingredient found in almost all foods. We'll be exploring the top 10 reasons why sugar is added to all foods. So, prepare to have your mind sweetened with knowledge. Fasten your mental seatbelts as we delve into the sweet but not so innocent world of sugar. First off, sugar provides a sweet taste which is universally enjoyed. Now, you might wonder why we are so drawn to this sweetness. The answer lies in our biology. From an evolutionary standpoint, our ancestors associated sweet tastes with high-energy foods that were safe to eat. It's a survival mechanism that has stuck with us over millennia. In essence, we are biologically wired to crave sweetness. This natural inclination towards the sweet taste is a key factor in why sugar is so commonly used in the food industry. Sugar doesn't just sweeten, it enhances flavor, making even the most bland foods more appealing. It's an inexpensive way for manufacturers to make their products more enjoyable and consequently more marketable. Whether it's in your morning cup of coffee, your favorite pasta sauce, or even bread, sugar is added to give that irresistible sweetness that we, as humans, naturally crave. Sugar's sweet taste is a significant reason behind its prevalent use in our foods. Second, sugar acts as a preservative. Now, you might be thinking, how does something so sweet and seemingly harmless play such a vital role in preservation? Well, it's all about the science. The magic of sugar lies in its ability to reduce water activity in food. This simply means that sugar absorbs the water present in food, creating an environment that's not very hospitable for harmful bacteria. These microscopic troublemakers need water to grow and multiply, so when sugar takes that away, their growth is inhibited. This is the very principle that makes jams and jellies last so long on your pantry shelves. But that's not all. Sugar also helps to stabilize the color and texture of preserved food, keeping it appealing and fresh. So whether it's your favorite jar of strawberry jam or that tangy barbecue sauce, it's sugar working behind the scenes, keeping it all good to go. Just like a sweet, invisible guardian, sugar helps to keep our food safe for longer. Third, sugar contributes to the texture and structure of food. It's a silent workhorse, laboring behind the scenes to create the mouthfeel we all crave. Imagine biting into a cookie, the crumbly texture, the way it breaks apart in your mouth. That is the magic of sugar at work. It provides bulk, acting as a foundation upon which other ingredients are built. Sugar also plays a starring role in the browning process. When heat is applied, sugar undergoes a transformation, leading to that golden brown hue we associate with baked goods. It's the same process that gives a delightful crust to your bread or a crispy edge to your cookies. And let's not forget about moistness. Sugar helps to retain moisture, ensuring that your muffins and cakes stay soft and moist for longer. In many ways, sugar is the unseen architect of our favorite treats. It shapes, colors, and preserves them, making our meals not just more delicious, but also visually appealing and satisfyingly textured. Fourth, sugar aids in fermentation. Now, fermentation might sound like a fancy word, but it's a natural process that's been around for centuries. It's the transformation of food by various bacteria, yeasts, and other microorganisms, and it's essential in the creation of many of our favorite foods and drinks. When we talk about bread, for instance, the yeast used in the dough feeds on the sugar, producing carbon dioxide gas. This gas gets trapped within the dough, and voila, our bread rises, giving us that fluffy texture we all love. In the case of yogurt, the bacteria feed on the lactose, a type of sugar found in milk. This process produces lactic acid, which gives yogurt its characteristic tangy flavor. It's fascinating, isn't it? The role that sugar plays in our everyday food items is far more intricate than just adding sweetness. Without sugar, our bread might not rise and our yogurt might not have that tangy kick. Fifth, sugar is used to balance flavors. Imagine a tomato sauce that's overly acidic or a coffee that's too bitter. Sugar comes to the rescue. It provides a counterpoint to these strong, sometimes harsh tastes. When added in just the right amount, sugar can transform a potentially unpleasant taste into a delightful culinary experience. It's the secret ingredient that smooths out the rough edges, turning discord into harmony. It's fair to say sugar is the peacemaker in the world of flavors, bringing harmony to our dishes. Sixth, sugar facilitates browning and caramelization. This culinary magic is made possible by the Maillard reaction, a chemical process that occurs when proteins and sugars in food are heated together. The result? A beautiful browning effect that not only makes our meals visually appealing, but also enhances their flavor. But it doesn't stop there. Sugar is also pivotal in caramelization. This is a process where sugar is heated until it melts into a thick, sweet, aromatic liquid known as caramel. Caramelization is responsible for that decadent flavor in desserts and pastries and the enticing smell that wafts through the air as they bake. Whether it's the golden brown crust on a loaf of bread, the tantalizing sear on a steak, or the mouth-watering caramel drizzle on your favorite dessert, sugar plays a starring role. So next time you marvel at the golden hues in your food, remember, sugar is the secret behind that appealing golden brown hue in our cooked foods. Seventh, sugar is cost-effective. It's no secret that sugar is a relatively inexpensive additive. Not only can it enhance the taste of foods, making them more appealing to our taste buds, but it also contributes to the texture and longevity of many products. By extending shelf life, sugar reduces waste and saves money over time. From the perspective of manufacturers, using sugar is a pragmatic choice, economically speaking, so in essence, sugar is an affordable way to transform our meals. Eighth, consumer expectation plays a role. It's surprising to realize how our palates have been subtly conditioned over time. A world of flavors has been reduced to a simple expectation, the sweet, comforting taste of sugar. This expectation is not just a personal preference, it's a collective habit, a societal norm. From breakfast cereals to spaghetti sauces, sugar is everywhere. And why is that? It's because we've grown to associate sweetness with pleasure, with satisfaction. Take sugar out of the equation and suddenly the food seems less appealing, the taste less satisfying. Food manufacturers are aware of this. They know that sugar can make or break a product's success in the market. So they add sugar, not just for the reasons we've mentioned before, but also to meet the consumer's expectation of taste. Our taste buds have been trained to expect the sweet touch of sugar. Ninth, the marketing factor and sugar's addictive nature. In the world of consumer goods, sugar plays a vital role in the pursuit of profit. It's no secret that sugar can make almost anything taste better. This sweetness not only entices first-time buyers, but it also has an addictive quality that keeps consumers coming back for more. Numerous studies have shown that sugar stimulates the same pleasure centers in the brain as certain addictive substances, creating a feel-good sensation that people naturally crave. This craving, while seemingly harmless at first glance, can lead to a cycle of consumption and craving that's hard to break. Marketers capitalize on this. They know that the sweeter their product is, the more likely consumers are to make repeat purchases. This is why you'll often find sugar in products where you least expect it. In essence, sugar isn't just a tool for enhancing taste, it's a potent ingredient for driving sales. Sugar can be a powerful tool in the hands of marketers. Finally, sugar gives food that mouthfeel we love. It's that satisfying sensation when you bite into a perfectly soft cookie or enjoy the smooth creaminess of a decadent chocolate mousse. Sugar plays a pivotal role in creating these unforgettable sensory experiences. It allows for the development of complex textures and structures, making your food not just taste good, but feel good too. From a soft, moist cake to a crispy, caramelized creme brulee topping, sugar manipulates the texture of our food in ways that are truly remarkable. It's not just about the sweetness, but the overall culinary experience that sugar enhances. But remember, while sugar can make our foods delightful, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Our health should always be our priority. Before we wrap up, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Braintainment for more intriguing content. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep your brain entertained.